Oscar Wilde. Oscar Wilde was born on October 1854. He was an Irish poet and playwright. He died.
He was famous for his epigram. He was where?
He became one of London's most popular playwrights. He is best remembered for his epigrams, plays, and the Picture of Dorian Gray novel. He died on November 1900. Thank you.